The cool things about renting equipment is all the different projects you get to go see. These guys are digging out a basement of this house. Started with a crawl space, and yeah, they've knocked that hole in the front. We had to go put a track back on that Mini X, our E17C. They've also got a 317G in there. Yeah, they put all new floor joists and everything. It's quite the project, something you don't see every day. Well, we got the tracks put back on the Mini. Got the 317 down here as well. This is how they get them in and out. This will be a window well when they get finished. This is their Instagram. My brother digs a basement.